Do I know you?
What do you mean if you know me?
Why you hollering out me name?
Kelly says a stush place. Oliver, look how everybody dressed up in a formal dress and jacket. Me not feel right.
Not everybody, man. See a man over there wearing a t-shirt.
With a map in him hand. Him work here. Oliver, me tell you, you should make me put on something more formal than this, you know. Me feel out of place.
Well, we're there already. So we might as well hold our seat. We're going to go late for the movies, you know.
Oliver, why everybody staring?
Because you stand up at the people in restaurant door and a pulp out here like somebody hypnotize you.
No, but I feel shame. Put your shirt in, Oliver.
That is why I never want to carry you come here, you know. You're going to embarrass me in front of my friends, them.
You have friends in here?
They know that they'll say it here regular. Hi, Ralph. How is life? Good, good.
Who are you talking to?
No, Ralph.
So how come you don't hear nobody answer?
Him not him head, man. You expect him to talk with food in his mouth? And listen, Mary, I only hope you know etiquette and proper table manners and them things there.
Well, I never seen nobody not him yet.
Him not him head fast, man, all right?
But I was looking and I never see when...
Just come and go find a seat now, man, and stop cross questioning.
Oliver, I look all right?
You look trash.
So that's good thing I put on my heels, eh?
And then why we so late? Because when you put on them things, you walk and wobble like you walk on tightrope.
Oliver, I don't feel comfortable.
Mary, stop your ignorance, you know, man. You're going to make people know it's the first time you're coming into an ornamental restaurant.
It's not the first time I'm coming into an oriental restaurant. It's just because you never tell me that the place was formal. And I feel cute.
You know, the last thing my mother told me before she passed away. Oliver, never you pick up a ignorant woman. Because those types always hold you back in life.
Well, if we are called ignorant, I am not ignorant. It's 4 JC subject matter.
But we well know that the computer did make a mistake.
The computer never made no mistake.
Mary, the computer no must make a mistake. You take 2 subjects and pass 4.
Listen, if you can't help to insult me, you know, don't
all right,
bother with it, you know.
Nobody will. Come go find us. See one nice table over there, so come.
Hey, hold on, the walk so fast and left me, man. You know, some of the balance too good on the heel.
Just
hold on, now.
Come on.
No.
Come on. Sit down and stop behaving like you're an idiot, no? The chairs, them comfortably. And I just love the decors. And the furnitures, they are so lovely.
Oliver.
But look, it's cold, doing
Those 2 men over there staring at us.
Look here, I wonder why they have so much camera on the dining table, them doing. They must expect power cut.
Look, and the point is, oh, maybe you should take off your hat.
Take off my hat, so what? Don't you know, so me have a touch of the flu. Me don't want to expose my mouth to the air conditioning.
I know what them talking about, you know. I know what them talking about.
Mary, stop going on like you're an idiot, no man. That's why my mother always warned me about me, you know.
There's a sign that says, wait to be seated.
Wait to be seated for what? After we no handicap.
So why I'm coming over here, eh? Why?
Oh, he's a waiter. Him coming to take the order. Listen, Mary, just relax. And may I beg you, please don't order nothing that you can't pronounce to expose your upbringing and them things.
I'm nervous.
And watch your English.
Listen, where's the ladies' room?
No, man. It don't work like that here. Ladies, gentlemen, children, everybody sit together.
No, but I want to...
The waiter coming. Look here now. Let me do the talking. And please, try for once to act sensible.
Good evening, madam. Sir?
A very pleasant how do you do to you, sir. And look here now, please, May I beg you to serve us quick with expedition, you see? Because we have to eat and then we have to catch a movie that starts 7:30 and we don't want to be late.
Excuse me, sir.
And look here, no man. You can't turn on the temperature in this place, no? The cold here make me cough.
I'm sorry we can't do that, sir. Do you have reservations?
Same thing.
No. But me never know, so we have to reserve food.
We're very busy at this time of the year, so we go strictly by reservations.
But that don't affect regular customers.
You? A regular customer?
God, this is so embarrassing.
The couple that reserved this table are here now, sir. If you would kindly wait by the door, we'll have another table ready for you in about an hour.
Oliver, just make we just take our time and get up now.
That couple just come. We was here before them.
They made reservations. You won't be the only ones waiting. There are others.
And no should have followed my mind.
Me not get up, you know? I'm sorry.
Sir, please.
People looking over here, Oliver.
We won't want this to get any uglier, would we?
If anybody are ugly, top are you. Look at how good you can be.
Look, just make we don't create a scene, all right?
I'm not getting up vagina line for no food. What you think I is? A prisoner?
But you don't have reservations, sir.
Don't tell me about no blooming reservations, man. What do you think this is? A restaurant or a airline?
You're raising your voice, sir.
You don't hear nothing yet. Mary, I wonder if these people in here know about the teenage entrance we catching at the fried rice last week, eh?
That's not true.
Well, let's see these people in here will believe me.
Wait, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Sit down. I'll see what I can do.
Harry, you see, I'm counting and change when we tell him about the teenager road. I wonder if him don't know, say, me and the owner son. Charlie Pig. Me and that man usually have some good times together when we was boy. Pingy me boy.
How could I don't know this pingy?
It's not everybody I know you know. Sometimes you want to fool, man. I feel to introduce you to my important people then. Wait, see the waiter coming back here. Everything okay?
Yes, we managed to work something out.
That was quick. The man is around?
No?
A very good friend, you know.
Yes?
Yes, man. Me and him go to school together.
Really? You went to school with him in China?
Just bring the price list ready for order.
List? What list?
The price list.
Oh, menu.
You knew. That is why I never realized when we come on a regular man. Just bring me the list, yeah, I want order.
Here you are, sir. The menu.
Wait, we want to order promptly because we have to go to a movie afterwards.
A waiter will be right over to take your order. Waiter!
So what you is?
It's serve them don't want to serve us.
Maitre d'.
Oh, you's Maitre D. Delighted to meet you. I am Oliver A. and this is Mary T.
Delighted.
But I mean, what you work here as?
Maitre d'. That's my title. Head waiter.
I tell you, him is a waiter. It's serve them don't want serve because we look so.
Please to speak for yourself. I don't know about you, but I don't look nowhere. So, you're the kind of waiter boss around here?
It's something like that. Here is your waiter.
Good evening, madam, sir. Can I get you something from the bar?
No, we don't want anything from the bar. Give us something from the kitchen.
I'll have a drink, please.
But Marie, man, you know, so we're going to be late for the movie.
Yes, but if we're going to celebrate my birthday, we might as well do it in fine style. Look, we can go to a movie anytime.
True. Only once a year. Oh, God.
So, what are we going to have to do?
Something strong.
Oliver, strong? But you know, sir, if you smell anything strong, you start to be stupid.
But this is a special occasion, Marie. It calls for something strong and different. What do you recommend?
Would you like to try the knockout punch?
That sounds different. Yes, I will try that.
Irish cream for me, please.
No, Marie. Make the cream stay till after dinner. That's dessert. Last time I think people didn't know better than that.
Not ice cream, Oliver. An Irish cream is a drink. Make that a double.
Well, make mine a triple.
Double Irish cream and triple knockout punch. Yeah.
How much for the cream thing?
$20.
It's not the whole case you want.
One, you can't afford it.
Why not the rent? Bring her anything she wants, whatever the cost.
Yes, boss.
Mary, it's who carry out and order them the quality drinks there.
He said, hey, I can't buy it for myself.
It's expensive, bad.
I work in.
I know. But it's who offer you them drinks there? How you call that the name?
Hey. Any idiot know about Irish cream, Oliver? What, you never know about it?
Of course you know about it. But I was wondering how you know about it. Seeing that you not too long come from the country and you don't go out too much and you don't drink for purpose.
Oh, you mean you don't take me out much?
All right. So if I don't take you out then, who takes
Oliver, man, shouldn't bother come with a jealous argument in the public restaurant, man. Sure.
Sure. This is not the evening for argument. We're celebrating.
Yes. Well, Oliver, your partner Joe come in right in time for my birthday, eh?
Yes, man. It's planet that way, you know, so I could give you a special treat.
Yeah.
I know how you like Chinese food.
I love it.
What's your favorite dish?
Oh, anything in seafood, man. Fish, shrimp, lobster, mushroom, anything like that. You like seafood?
Extremely.
Yeah? What's your favorite dish?
Irish mash. Why are you fidgeting like that?
I have to use the bathroom. Where it is?
I really don't remember, you know. Ask the waiter.
Oh, all right.
I could have beat myself to mention anything to her about my partner, Dra. Me never remember think about her birthday, you know. And you see what I check high? Chinese food. Make I take a look on this list and see. $100 for one plate of food. These prices must include the taxi too. Make I check over the seafood section. 200 and catch. Boy, it look like some have got to take out a mortgage for this dinner.
Here you are, sir.
Oh, yes, thanks.
This is yours.
Oh, yes, thank you very much. Waiter, tell me something. Why the prices in here is so astrological?
One, if you can't afford it, it's not too late because they have one little restaurant down there so they sell some nice hot patty and cocoa bread.
You know, so you're very liberty taking.
Where name? Titus?
Oliver.
Man, you're tight bad enough. Enjoy your drink, sir. I'll be back in a jiffy for your dinner order.
See your head big like effigy.
What happened to you?
Drink, man, it's stronger.
Oh. So what, you order, yeah?
No, not yet.
So what kind of seafood we're going to have?
No. Me change my mind. Me no want no seafood again.
Why?
Me just remember, me allergic to it.
Your skin?
Me pack it.
I told you that this was going to be a special occasion.
But of course it is a special occasion, Marie. Wait. You don't know, so like a joke me around. You can't take joke.
Me for wonder, you know, Oliver, because me know how you stay when it come on to you and spend your money.
Marie, you must say them things, you know. Because next thing you make people hear and think that you're serious. And think that means a mean person. Don't every birthday or every Christmas I give you a present.
As you mentioned that, you remember the solid gold earrings you gave me for Christmas?
24 carat.
It's silver now.
Maybe you still agree with this, man.
Oh yes, and the perfume for the birthday.
It's French.
Well, it just so happened that's the same thing Dr. Calder prescribed for Aunt me arthritis. So I give it to her.
Come up with your order.
Yeah. So hold on. With the seafood section.
None. They don't have any seafood here.
But it's the first Chinese restaurant me know that do have the seafood.
It's the same thing I was saying, you know, Marie. Boy, this place deteriorates bad since the last time I was here. You know what? Let us go to somewhere cheap. Nicer.
Oliver, since we're here already, we might as well stay.
No, man, make we go.
Hold on. How come you're so anxious to leave all of a sudden? When your girlfriend just come in?
No, Marie, man. But look how the place looks shabby and run down. Look here.
But it looks quite stush to me.
Look at the tablecloth.
Where?
Tile all over.
Where?
See, you don't see it.
No.
Shabby. Shabby service. Waiter. Waiter.
May I be of assistance, sir?
Look, man. The tablecloth is tiled all over. It's intolerable. We can't stay here.
I'll have it changed for you, sir. Waiter.
And look at this glass.
What?
Fingerprints all over. You don't see it.
Yes, sir, but they are yours.
There isn't mine.
Yes, Oliver. They're yours.
How you know there is mine? Eh? What you is? The fraud squad? The CID? Or Sherlock Holmes?
If you wish, we can change the glass for you, sir.
No, man. It's okay.
It is not okay. I am not staying here. Let us go. And look at this place, man. The atmosphere is like that of a night with all these candles. It's what's the work in here. Over
We do our best, sir.
Not good enough. Your best is certainly not good enough. Come, let's go. And look at these towels. Eh?
Napkins.
That's not the point.
What is the point?
You know, I have been here for half an hour now, trying to open this thing, and it will not open. For half an hour, eh? Want to fold it up so complicated. What do you think? Is that crossword puzzle? Eh? Mary, let's go.
I would have the Chinese lobster with bamboo shoots. So you're not going to eat?
Don't I tell you I'm not hungry?
But Oliver, you have to eat something. You can't just sit down and watch me eat. I'm going to feel funny.
All right. Just order something light for me.
Like what?
Like a chicken sandwich or something.
Oliver, you can't get that in here. Ain't want to you drunk, man?
Junk? No, man. 2 liquor drinks off of that knockout thing. They can't junk me.
4 glass.
Is 4?
Mm-hmm.
My, how time fly.
Excuse me, sir. Are you ready to order?
The lady will order for me.
Oh, you want to try a shrimp dish?
What? Don't I tell you a long time, sir, I was allergic to seafood?
So what it do to you?
It give me headaches.
I don't think it's the food that I think is the price.
So what you want, sir?
Chicken.
Oh, how you want it cooked?
I mean, I don't want it cooking.
What kind of chicken?
Preferably a country fowl.
In oyster sauce, sweet and sour, chicken and cashew, or chicken in paper bag?
All right. Just bring in the sweet and sour chicken.
And for the lady?
Oh, well, I'll have the lobster with bamboo shoots.
Bamboo?
Mm-hmm.
And that kind nice?
Very nice.
Appetizer?
No, just go for it.
Yes. All right. Give me the shrimp balls and... Oh, Oliver, I think you should try the fried wonton.
Another drink?
No. Look here, man. I can tell you something. Don't come back down here for the rest of the evening and order nothing for you. You hear me, sir? Because if you order anything more that I never asked you for, it's you going to pay for it. You understand?
Yes, Mr. Titus.
Listen. What kind of arrangements are around there whispering about? I hope it's not no happy birthday thing you're arranging to come embarrass me now.
Oh, yeah, you know, I never remember nothing about that. That's a good thought, a very good thought. Waiter!
Sir,
Oh,
may I be of assistance?
oh yes. Waiter, you know, this is my girlfriend. You know her? Well, it's our birthday. And I was wondering if you could join me in singing the happy birthday chorus for her.
No, sir. That sort of thing is never done here.
Oh, you mean it never done here? Well, I see a sign over there so that says the customer is always right. Am I not a paying customer?
Please keep your
Is
voice
my
down.
money not welcome?
Please keep your voice down, sir.
So what, you're going to join me or you're not going to join me?
I'll try to assist you, sir.
Now that's better. Now, after 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Oh, hold on, a bit. Look here. Norman, I am singing lower. I am singing in the baritone. So you have to sing higher. Go up into the falsetto.
False what, sir?
Falsetto, man. You don't know what falsetto is. It's like this. Happy birthday to you. All right? No, go in night. Happy birthday. No, man, you know, if you sing down in the baritone, if you go up into the falsetto, go on and take the falsetto and me go for the baritone. Happy birthday. All right. Let me take the falsetto and then you struggle on with the baritone. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marty. Happy birthday to you. That's not so bad.
You feel good now? Eh? You feel good? See, you come and make with a puppy show inside the place. So everybody a point and when all a clap.
Well, Mary, man, you're too shame.
Oliver.
No, man, it's the air conditioning it giving me a warm time.
Wow. You know, see the people in my skin up them face. They want, man.
Relax, Mary, man, you're too fool. You can't shame take off, man. And now you tell me to take off the hat and see then now. The mouth, it affect me mouth. Mary, there is lipstick on your glass.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I can't be afraid.
Oh, God, I think I'm going to throw up.
What wrong with you? Is the drinks? Me not warn you about them big drinks over here now, harder than Mary. And this now is a birthday, so I don't want to spoil the celebration. But remind me to talk to you about them cream business, what you're drinking, and them bamboo shoot what you're eating tomorrow.
You're drunk.
I'm drunk? No, man. I'm not drunk. I'm just feeling happy.
Excuse me?
Is what this? I want you about hot water, so.
1 and 6, sir.
Who ordered this thing?
It comes with the meal, sir.
Free?
You pay for it, sort of, in the meal.
Oh. Cha.
Oops. Oh, no.
is why you're getting so excited, Frank. You never see black wonton soup yet?
No.
There is something like my wonton soup, man. Black and thick and rich. Cha, I'm gonna with this spoon. Good. That was good. It soon root up the gas. Wait, Mary, them a dumpling have been meat, man.
I feel like a fish out of water.
What happened? You don't want the soup?
I just lost my appetite, man.
Okay, now, Mary. It seems like you come here to waste my partner money. Just give me... Tell me something. Why not drinking the drinks? All the cream must have come out tight and melt way now.
The ball?
Oh, over here.
Fried wonton?
Well, those are must be mine, because I sure never had none for you.
May I take your glass, sir?
No. Like it stay. Wait. Ladies and gentlemen,
Oliver.
I would like to suppose a toast to someone special in my life. Sentimental birthday greetings to the light in my day, the stars in my night, the saltfish in me hockey, when you can get it, and the pig still into Miss Choupies. Violets are blue, roses are red. Our love will be true till one are we dead.
I've never been so ashamed in my life.
Ashamed for what?
Everybody was laughing at us. You're stone blind drunk.
Drunk? Me never drunk. I was just happy.
You had everybody in the place staring at us.
Look here, no, man. In that hour, look for Michael Jackson. Everywhere go people look for him and him still doing shame. And look here, no, you better be careful with them bamboo things here, because I used to them give worms.
Oliver, why you don't just ask the waiter to bring back a knife and fork? Because at the rate that we are going, we'll never leave this place.
You man, look here. Me used to them things and I meet with them regular. I am very sufficient with chopstick.
Chopstick? I just take your elbow off the table, man.
And put them where?
Oh, sorry. Would you like knife and fork, sir?
For what?
Well, I mean, we should have been closed half an hour ago, and, you know, you're still at it.
This is a birthday to remember.
I'm not finished yet. I'm not taking me time. Oh. Now what happened? You finished it?
Yes.
But after you need more than half right, this is the waiter. We're going to have to negotiate a little business here. And I'm paying for more than half our food because it's only half she eats.
You're mad, man. The way you want to come to the people in high-class restaurant, come negotiate price.
Waiter, please to come here. You know what? I think I'm going to carry it home from a dog. So please to put it in like a doggy bag for me.
Okay.
Oliver, and when you get dog?
Then you never know about Pluto.
From all of this time when me I come a fear house, me love, me never see a dog yet.
Well, you see, Pluto is shy. Him always hide from strangers.
Will you be having dessert?
Yes, thank you. I'll have some lychee.
Anything for you, sir?
No. I will have some of hers.
Okay.
Oh, what you doing?
May I sharpen this thing, man? That was the problem all along.
What?
It's in the dull.
Listen, I hope we have enough money to pay the bill because me really couldn't deal with another embarrassment.
Of course, me have money. Then you know, so me have to pull on me part of money right here so that me be a fool.
Oliver, no!
I will be a fool then. If you let me leave the whole of my money and me had in on the bureau, you know, right in the bill fold.
This is it. Yes, ma'am.
No, wait, no. You don't have any money with you?
Where you must get money from?
They know you're working.
1 week salary couldn't cover the whole of this bill here or so.
How much you think it is?
So hold on, you wasn't checking. It's $400 worth of food we eating now.
$400? Don't panic. Don't panic. Make sure to me, brethren. I want to have a little words with you.
Sir.
Look here. You think, you see, I am having a little, sort of, financial disturbance. I wonder if you could help me out.
In what way?
Well, I was wondering if you could have lent me a few $100. You see, I leave my money at home. I will go home and collect it and bring it back to you.
Are you some sort of a lunatic?
No.
I've never seen you in all my life. And you expect me to lend you money?
Well, you can hold on to, to she.
You have a nerve.
Pluto don't have no money.
Nobody was talking to you.
How do you propose to cover the check?
Well,
No, the owner good.
Marie.
Them even went to school together, you know. Him not here yet.
Yes.
So call him now. Call Pingy.
No, wait, no, Marie, man. We can work out this thing another way, man.
So hold
Call
on.
who?
Mr. Pingy isn't the owner of this restaurant.
I haven't the faintest idea what you're talking about.
Mm-hmm.
This restaurant is owned by Mr. Gary Lee. Would you like me to call him?
No. It's all right. We must can work something out.
You're going to wash plates until your hands shrivel up.
Me? Wash plate?
And pat and pan and scrub the floor and every striking thing in the kitchen.
All right. Come if we start.
We?
Me wash and you dry up?
You must be mad. Listen, my love. Me not spend my birthday inside and wash no plates.
But Marie, you don't expect me to wash all them the whole plate by myself?
It's your treat.
Come, Pluto. Playtime now. Bring out your plantain. This way back.
Marie, come to know.
No. This is not purified yet. Come.
Marie.
Oliver, you in here?
No.
Wait, come on, Oliver. You find work yet? Oliver!
What you calling on me name for like a fella? Do I know?
Feeling that Mardi Gras spirit? Mardi Gras flavors are on parade at Tropical Smoothie Cafe.
Boy! At last. Evening. Howdy. See ya, man. Them Korea have absolutely no home training.
You need Chloe?
I've been walking for over 3 miles in the bush. And me tell you, say, me shoes them are bun me, them man fi blind me. I'm put pant up right, you know. Me have to run most of the way. Because me see some cow in our pasture, sister. And then this I look pa me, say, you know. And I whisper to them one another.
Come on, the cow them crossing up. What about the whole of them?
My skin feel crawly.
Probably grass lies from the cow them. Kerosene oil will help you. You need a transport.
You work here?
Yes, Jeremiah Jones. Everybody call me gassy. This banner content, they say, tell me you have generation up here?
No. Me work on one of the minibus them that run from Kingston to Duppy Tree.
The minibus them don't run up here anymore, no?
I know. We run out of gas on the highway, you know. About 3 miles back.
I just hate highway people. Everybody want to use the highway. Nobody remember the old road and the old town.
No, sir. Not me. Me love old things. Me house full of so old furnitures. I even have one chip up in a mill mug when my uncle dead left give me. It's my favorite utensil.
Why you come up here?
A passenger direct me here. Through the shortcut. Just round the corner, him say. I should have known better than to listen to that old chiselhead boy.
Who no build the highway and left way up here for suffer?
Me? I know me, Billy.
I just hate highway people.
Careful how you speak, you know, sir. Why you so miserably?
Leave! If it's help you want, you come to the wrong place.
Why, what a cantankerous old money. Is how your wife a tolerate you?
She dead.
Antagonize the poor woman to her death.
I hear you. She dead peaceful, smiling.
I'm glad she glad to get rid of you.
Yeah, boy, listen me.
All right. Nobody gets irritated. Tell me something. You grow with your granny?
Why you leave your brand new highway and come up here?
I need some fuel.
I can't help you. Go back to the highway.
I have money.
Money? How much so?
Yes, sir, you perk up as I hear about money like when Picheri see Jankro.
How much, sir?
Enough to fill this gas aisle.
Gas aisle? I don't have any gas aisle.
No gas aisle?
No, kerosene aisle.
Kerosene aisle? Says what sort of gas station this?
Before no build the highway, we used to sell everything. Gas aisle, everything.
So, how far it is to a real gas station?
About 5 miles.
5 miles?
Uphill.
Then you don't know where I can get a bus or a taxi or a robot?
Nothing don't run up here anymore. We's abandoned.
Then you mean to tell me so you don't even have a domestic transport system out here?
Well, Uncle, no, you wouldn't interested in that.
In a what?
Uncle that.
Rope? You think that me can swing through tree like me a Tarzan?
Look at the end of the rope, no man.
It's who for this a whole knock-knee donkey. So how it looks so?
She's not a him.
You going to go give me a ride?
Me don't trust nobody with my Dulcimina.
So what you think say me could have do with she?
Me don't know. You are some queer people walking the of the earth, yeah, bro.
Look here now. Now because me a beg your ride after all the called malnourished donkey, you know. You want to come take liberty?
And furthermore, I don't know you. You could be a thief.
Like your pooper.
See a boy?
Me look like a thief to you.
You could have passed for one.
If you wasn't such a whole man, you see, I would have answered you in here today.
What if you thief me transport? and just disappears.
Thief that? No. I love antique, but I have my limits.
Good. Left me and me antique jackass and walk along where they go.
Look here. Me can pay you for your ride off your donkey, you know.
How much?
$2.
$2. You're impertinent.
All right. $3.
$3. I look like I'm hungry. I look like I suffer to you.
So what is a reasonable donkey rental rate then?
Well, it's a great risk taking. And furthermore, I don't really know you.
Then you don't think say me taking a great risk if you go climb up on that maga-foot creature?
I have to have a deposit. Just in case you crash and damage me Dulcimina.
So what will happen to me in case Dulcimina them foot collapse and damage me?
Tell me something. You ever ride a donkey yet?
No.
That's an additional risk.
But that's not a donkey. That's a donkey skeleton.
$300. Nothing less.
You say your face favor for Dulcimina one?
Well, if you can't meet me price, walk, go on.
Walk, yes.
Yes, I will keep my transport. You keep your money.
And the donkey all look bilious. Before I pay $300 for ride that old donkey there, see, I prefer walk 40 miles through the fertilizer macadam. I stay right here, so. Sleep right here and hug up the cow lice then.
Walk if you want. Sleep if you want. I will keep my transport.
He's a wicked old man. But he's all right, man. I will walk. You keep your old anemic donkey.
Yes, walk, go on. I like how Master Mad Bull lose. Walk.
Mad?
Mad I said.
Why you say mad?
Because he mad. We call him Rambo. He attack everything down to breeze. He attack Master Tom himself. What now?
Mass Gas. I am sure that the two of we can come to a reasonable arrangement about the donkey rental rate.
What you want with me, Marga donkey?
Well, you know, at a closer look, she not a Marga, you know. She kind of slim.
And
I have to admit that she's slim, not true?
And our Nina, right?
Me never say nothing wrong with the acne, you know. Aye, but you will admit, say, the first time I ever see an acne donkey. But I feel an acne fit her.
The price on it goes $300. If and when you bring her back safe to me, you get back $200. That is like a deposit, right?
I'm going to stay right here, so. Somebody must pass and give me a ride. You think if you look at bilious donkeys, you're transportation now, man?
Well, wait all you want. I only hope you drive come before dark.
Dark? Why?
There's a rolling car flew over the bushes, you know.
Rolling car.
One night last week, one of them backs down called Zaki out. They flat a ground in the safe room till now the mouth still twist.
Move, liar. How can cow back some smarty and cow no got hand?
Well, tell me if you find out tomorrow, if you can talk.
Is where you going?
Home before dark.
Dark? Wait. All right. It's quite all right, man. Hey, I'm going to give me watch. As security. It's genuine gold.
Then tell me something. How is the strip?
Strip?
unwashed gold. The latest crazy jewelry. Sure. But they said 10 to 12, you know, and nearly 6 o'clock. Is England time it keeping? Is my brother-in-law sending from England? It's not working. Not even a tick. No, man, it working, you know. All it want is a second hand and a battery. But after that, it's perfect, man. No problem with it. Sir, take this from me. You take me for idiot. All right. Hold on. I'm glad the $20 where the driver give me to put the gas head in this. I'm going to get to you, see, and you give me a tour half a Dulcimina. Maybe be the pillion. But, no. Dulcimina to all we can do tour with. Wait. Is what that? I don't hear nothing. Yes, man. It sounds like a car coming.
Wait. No, man, are you imagination that? Give me the $20 and come right guard the gas station.
No. Is a car, yes?
Wait. No, sir, come.
Yes, man. Is a car. Where? Oh, thief. You look a thief, yo. Your face over the old dead left chip up in a middle of the got me yard. Move! You're your old man been a foot donkey. I will wait for this carrier, so. Where? It don't go enough to stop, you know. Well, I prefer lay down cross the road if necessary. Wait. How the car sound, so? Like it hoarse.
Look, any of you know anything about cars?
I am not really a mechanic, man, but I can help myself. But it's going to cost you a little. Lady, you're looking at a first-class mechanic. Is that me used to do before me get into the minivan business, you know? What seems to be the problem?
Well, first of all, it started coughing. And then the temperature gauge started to rise. And then now it absolutely refuses to move.
That sounds like pneumonia. The tires okay?
The tires not nothing to do with it.
How much air you put into the tire, man?
About 26 pounds.
That sounds sort of heavy, eh? For a small car.
That's a reasonable amount. Make we check the pines if then close up.
You have a husband there?
Yes, but...
You have a spare?
Spare husband?
Spare tire.
What tire have to do with anything? Me say if we check the pines.
Aronis. That's what separates the good mechanic from the fenke mechanic. Aronis. What's your name, dear?
Mona.
Mona. You know, I didn't know a famous painter by the name Mona Lisa.
You're going to check the engine, sir?
Next. That's what I'm going to do next. Don't rush me. Open the bonnet for me, Miss Mona.
It's open.
It's a miracle the car carry us so far.
What happened?
The car not got in a engine. Them thief the human engine.
The engine isn't here.
And you know you're perfectly right. But to tell you the truth, I never worked on a VW before.
You don't know.
But a good mechanic can always compromise. You have a spanner?
What size?
Medium.
I'm not sure. Can this help?
It look kind of small, but enough to try it.
You found the problem?
Of course.
What is it? Can you fix it? Is it serious?
You don't have no battery.
But I bought a battery last week, man.
That's what I was trying to tell you. If you ever like them thief your battery, somebody was trying to scrap the car.
The battery under the back seat.
How the battery under the car seat?
See ya? Make we try it, see if it work.
Now, how can we test it to see if it's working?
Just
blow the horn.
That's a good idea. Gassy, you're not fool, you know. You're thief, but you're not fool. Miss Mona, check the hand for me now. It working. It working good.
So now that the battery is okay, make we check the engine, see if it turn over.
No, it looks straight to me.
Go turn the key in the ignition so we can see if the engine turn over.
All right. Excuse me, Miss Mona.
All right, the engine turn over. Come back, we check the distributor now.
That's a good idea. You know, that is what I was going to suggest a while. So, are you from these parts?
Kingston, but I'm visiting relatives.
So why you never bring your husband?
We're separated.
That's nice.
Make we check the distributor, lead wire, rotor brush, condenser.
Hold on, man. We can't check so much things all at once. We are confused the thing. Make we check the distributor first, and then we can check the other things then.
All of those things in the distributor.
True. Sound crowded to me. I wonder if that is why the distributor not distributing. Congestion. We're going to check if the distributor distributing. Because you see, if the distributor not distributing effectively to the main pumping line...
Come take off the cap.
Excuse me. Now, as I was saying...
The distributor cap, idiot. Take it off.
It won't screw off. It seemed like cross thread.
It don't screw off. Two clip the other side. This pull them and see if the pines close or if it happen too much.
You know, Gassy, that's a very good suggestion. Miss Mona, the pines is the major cause of car coughing.
You pull it?
No, not yet. You see, Miss Mona, all cars operate on a pine system.
Just pull it, no sir, and then you can look argument afterwards how the pines look.
Kinda dullish. Miss Mona, you have a file?
Where you want file for do?
You sharpen the pines.
The pines okay.
It don't look kinda dullish to you.
No, aside for stay. The condenser alright too.
Where that is?
See it there, sir?
Yes, it's all right. It look kind of new and shiny.
The rotor brush functional.
Oh, what kind of brush you talking about?
Chairman, you asked too much question. I think you was a first-class mechanic.
Of course, me's a first-class mechanic. Hey, you think I don't know? But I was on the testing to say if you know. Next thing you mash up the man car and make me can't get a ride back to the highway. I wonder why they make so much extra parts of this car.
Well, maybe the parts ain't hard to get in, so then this include everything in the one motor.
You know, I have a funny feeling, you know, that if we search really hard, we can find some extra space inside here if we put some of these things. Look here. How this look here, sir?
No, that not look like a fit. Anyway, you can hardly get to see. They get darker now.
You sure you don't have a flashlight, Miss
Don't say
Mona?
anything to me, you hear me?
So why you behaving like that, ma'am?
He was only trying to help, you know.
Oh, no, ruin my brother car. Look at that. The car will move now.
Of course it can move, if we push it.
It don't make a sound when you turn the key.
Well, at least we fix that. It not coughing no more.
It can't drive.
But after it couldn't drive when it come here.
That is true. It is just a buck.
And all that we fix.
You know something? I'm going to see you go to prison for this. You hear me? You're going to go to prison for this.
Prison? But anybody see me die in trial? What you mean prison? Why you so ungrateful, man?
Him was only trying to help.
Stop the him. It's me and you mash it up.
But you was in charge.
Look how hard we work on this whole car, doing. And this is the thanks we get. Prison invitation.
You're going to pay for it. Oh, no, going to pay for it.
Yeah? With what? All I have is the one bone dry $20 where the driver give me for buy gas oil. For fix the minibus. Oh. You see? You see how some people stay? Now look how hard we work to try to help this woman now because she in her distress. Remember now, you know, none of we is mechanic.
Listen, I just want my brother car back in the condition that it came here, you understand me?
But it in the condition that it come here in. When it come here, it never did a work, and now it now work. Nothing changed.
When it came here, the only problems it had was the temperature and the...
Feel the engine now. Feel the engine. Cool as a ice.
And the...
Listen, it's stop.
And the fact that it was coughing.
And it not cough, no?
No, nothing is working.
Of course. It not coughing. Why you always think on the negative side of life, don't you? The car not coughing.
And half of the engine on the ground.
But me tell you, say those is extra parts. Them not serve no useful purpose.
Yeah.
Well, I have to make my way slowly up the hill now. What am I going to do?
Well, the only thing that we can do is to try and go get the gas station where we can buy the gas oil. Then we have to go back to fill a minivan. Then we put the gas oil in there. Then now we take the minivan and go to an up-to-date mechanic.
Tell me something, how are we going to get to the gas station? Hmm? And how are we going to get to the minivan?
Well, try Dulcimina.
Dulce who? Oh, no, my love. You're not getting me on top of that half-starved creature, you hear me?
Half-starved?
No, she not half-starved. She hungry slim. Shh, are you making change in mind?
I have a good mind raise the price too.
No, Gassy. No. She never mean what she said.
I mean every word I say. By the way, which price you talking about?
Oh, no, renting the transport or not?
Rent?
$100 plus $200 as deposit. $300.
You must be mad. $300 for your disabled jackass?
Shh. But you know, see how this woman want me to walk back out to Kingston tonight, sir?
Come Dulcimina.
Well, the two of we going to lay down and sleep right here, sir. Because I don't have no money.
We can walk.
Walk? Who are you, missus? He know that the cow pasture they at this hours of the night here. With them the whole mad cow around on people. Are you alone and go walk? No me are you.
Mad cow?
Mad.
How do you mean mad?
Mad, psychologically defective.
It's not true.
Not true, no? Now you're going to have to sleep right here, so. And them have some whole lice and ticks about the place,
Lice and ticks?
And not to mention all them rolling calf. Their backs down.
Okay, let me get the money.
At least you're coming to your senses now. Hold on there, Gassy. Let me get the money, so give.
So the money here.
Right, come.
300.
Gassy, see the money here. 300, you don't have to count it, 300.
Uno can just left Dulcimina at the bus stop. She will find her way home, all right?
Then how we going to get back with deposit?
Oh, when you come back for the car, I will give you the deposit.
That sound reasonable. Come, Miss Mona. You be the pillion.
Come. Just jump up. Just put over 1 foot. Put over 1 foot now. Go on, no man.
Me coming.
Up. Come again. Try again. Up. Over. Good. Stand up now, Dulcie. Hold the rope.
Yes. Come, Miss Mona, you come up now. Good. All right. Go, Dulcie. You know you're talking to you, Dulcie. You there? Go, Dulcie. Miss Mona. Yes. You live all by yourself? You're not the one there?
Will you get this creature moving, please?
All right, hold on around my waist tight. Come down, Dulcie. Giddy up. I say move. Come here, the jackass and the person thing. Dulcie, giddy up. Yeah, see. Yeah, see, come find me move with jackass, you know. Come do see. One do see. One darling. One do see. Yes. One do see.
Well, Dulcimina, I only hope you remember the trick.
We Dulcimina, where am I with? Miss Mona, what am I? Miss Mona, you're hip. Dulcimina, come back. Yes.
Shouldn't American babies get an amount of DHA global experts recommend? Enfamil provides it, but Similac gives babies here less than half that amount, while giving babies in other countries more. Switch to Enfamil.
Well, make us see what a shark not now in the grocery. Me not got no saltfish. But me have me mackerel and me have me corn pork. All those people what say them can't cook ackee. A joke them a joke. Ackee no partial. You just catch it up and base it down with the 2 tomatoes and your little scallion and little black pepper. Then you introduce now the country pepper into the argument and you're going clear. You know what? I better tell Punsi about it. Punsi?
Yes, sir.
Punsi, come here please, ma'am.
Yes, Mr. Oliver, sir.
Punsi, you can't say morning. Eh? Where your manners? How much times must I tell you that when you're seeing somebody for the first time, you say morning or evening as the case may be?
Lord, me did forget, sir. Good morning, as the case may be.
As the case may be? How that come in it?
But no, that's you just tell me a while back, say that me say, sir. Good morning or good evening, as the case may be.
You know, if it wasn't so simple, I would think you're taking liberty. But that's not possible. Your intellect is very limited. And your head cup small and your skull thick. How much time I must show you and point out to you that in business you can't operate so, eh? Every time I try with you, I saw you feel.
Me no feel at all, you know, Mr. Oliver. Me have me 2 subjects and me have me paper to prove it. And furthermore, you know, sir, you saw me did come here to work with you. You tell me, say me would be your administrative assistant. And now look where me I do, sir, care waiter, serve ice water and them kind of things, yeah. And it's 2 subjects me have, 2 hours.
Can you getting ferocious? Eh? You're losing respect. You're back answering me back. I wonder if you don't know where you do. Eh?
Me don't like how you have to anger me, you know, Mr. Oliver. Me somebody to you know, sir.
I have a great mind to terminate your service right there.
Terminate, you mean, sir? You mean like fire me? Well, give me 2 weeks pay right now, me go back to my country, you know, sir. Oh.
Punsi, go back to your country. This is your country, girl. You don't have nowhere else to go.
Well, me, we go somewhere else, sir. So if it's fire me and done, let me go about my business.
Punsi, if I fire you, you'd a surprise. Because you know, and me know, that you don't mean what you say. So just cool your foot. Your mother apprenticed you out to me so that you can learn I commerce and industry. And it's true she is my sister, and you is my own of flesh and blood, what we call niece. I'm going to pretend that I didn't hear the impertinence and the fierceness what you go on with a while ago. So now, miss, if you is ready for work, come and watch me what I'm doing, and come let me show you what I'm doing. And please to pay attention, miss. I tell you all the while, in business, you can't do business fenke. You have to look people in the eye, stand up straight and communicate. No, I don't want to have to tell you that one more time. Now get me the menu board, man.
Wait there, sir.
No, which... If I say it dead, it have to dead.
It's in your hand, sir.
In my hand? How it's in my hand?
Because you use your finger then pick it up.
Then Punsi, why you never tell me that all along, eh? I tell you all the while that in business you have to be on the ball. Keep your brains in your hand, in your head. Stand up on your foot. Put the matter in hand.
You better make case, so the rice are born.
The rice are born. How you mean say the rice are born?
You don't smell it. The rice are born, me tell you, sir.
Then how come you cook rice so early in the morning?
Because you tell me to do it. You say, Punsi, early bird catch the first worm. That is why you tell me, Mr. Oliver. And then you say, Punsi, make a early start. Early start bring profit. That is what you say, sir.
Of course that is what me say. Me no need you to tell me what me say.
And then you tell me, say, make a early start today. Cook the rice for lunch from soon o'clock. And the rice, me was a cook when you send come call me. I see then now the rice are born.
So now that the rice are born, what are you going to do about it? What
sir,
you going to do about it?
Let me tell you something, sir. If me was in the kitchen, me would have drawn the fire. But since that's how me not in the kitchen, since that's how you send come call me, well then the rice are born.
Damn bite me today if you make the rice the bun, you know, Punsi. You play with fire, you know, girl. Go and go turn down the fire and don't make the rice burn.
It don't make no sense that the rice done burn already.
Punsi don't make hell hot in ya. Go on, move it. Lord have his mercy. The whole of my profit burn down now. The whole of my profit gone. My profit margin small already and the girl in there burn it down. I have so much smoke that come from Punsi. Punsi, you not have burn up the rice yet. Punsi. How come so much smoke come out of the kitchen? Punsi, tap burn up the rice.
You can't break it off, sir.
Me now go in there. And you know why me now go in there? Because if I go in there, I'm going to lose my temper today. And I don't want to lose my temper. I lose my money already. And I don't want to have to lose my temper. So Punsi, if you know what me know, you know. You clean up the place before me come in at the kitchen, you know. How?
Oh, me dead now. You can't read it now.
Dead? You're not dead yet. You see, if I come in the kitchen, the girl, at that time you are dead for you. Punsi, you are reduced my profit margin, you know. And my bankers, them not going to like it. Punsi, please to stop the cow balling in the place, no, man. Stop your cow balling. The customers, them soon come for lunch now. And what me have to serve them? What me have to serve them? Bun up rice. Punsi, how much rice you did cook?
1 bag, sir.
Me not hear you.
Mr. 1 bag, sir.
So at 25 pounds of rice you bun up, Punsi. It's a whole heap of rice that you know, girl. It's where you want, Punsi. It's bankrupt you want me to bankrupt. Eh? You want me to go work house, poor house or harm house? So at the whole of me profit you burn up the truth. Just ease it up. Punsi, me in a business in me health, you know. And you know, he the fear would look neither. Put on your fear. Eh? Put on your fear.
Hello, please. Anybody there?
Yes, what is it?
You have anything that can full pothole?
Pothole? Listen, man. This is not public works, you know.
A pity. My boss tell me if you come get anything that can deal with pothole because he have this big one outside and gate. Him car drop in it last week. I know them to find the car yet.
That the pothole, they must be well big or your boss car small.
Well, him give $500 to come find anything that can deal with the pothole, but because you know I have nothing to say. Alright?
Hold on there. Then you're not going?
Hey, you have something that can deal with
$500. Just wait there right the door move. Don't say. If you're when you go past out the bun of rice. 13 and some cash. You have to have the cash at the end and you have to give the whole life, you know. Oh, alright. That's enough. Aye. You boss in luck. My scientist just done finish make that.
Scientist? Oh, you're easy.
Yes, man. My scientist is most bad back at the science business, you know. Take, for example, now, this patrol filler here. When me a sell it for a mere $500. Is him latest invention.
So, it good?
If it good, see a master. The thing is so good that if you're not mind sharp, it full up all when you're supposed to full up.
What is name?
Anyhow. Yes, Rice-forum bonbonerum.
So like for foreign man. So like Japanese. Give me it again.
Am I it there? Oh, William. Rice-forum bonbonerum. RFDDA for short. You soon see the commercial on radio and television and in a newspaper and billboard and all them something there. Nice. You're lucky to get this, you know. So give me the money now.
All right. The boss must please at this. Thank you, man.
What good? Yeah. $500 for a pot of bun rice. Oliver boy, you're good, you know. Ponce. Please to set on another pot of rice there for me. And Ponce, this time make the fire high. You not be bun. You not be bun. You not be bun. You not be bun. Nice man, nice fit.
No, Mr. Oliver, it don't look so right to me at all. This part here.
It don't look too proper to me at all, sir.
Which part? But you look right to me. Hold up your arm.
A tear.
Here? Which part is the tear?
Yes, man, it here. You can feel the breeze that pass through from under my arm.
Oh, under your arm?
Yes.
Well, sir, you see that is for a reason. A very good reason.
Reason? What kind of reason?
You mean it not stitch strong? That is the reason?
Yes.
Here, man, your man. No stitch strong. This thing has stitched so strong. It's a shame. Look here.
You see that? You see what you do now, sir? Take it off from me, so it's not so good at all.
Just take off this old foolishness off of my husband, yeah?
But look there now. Look how you tear up your husband nice jacket, eh? And him them don't pay feature and you tear it.
Tear it up? Me tear it up? This is all rotten thing you done tear up long before me come in here. Listen, let's take off this old foolishness off of my husband.
You see that now? You see that now? It told me come in and come tear up my nice jacket. Well, somebody going to have to pay for it now, go sir.
He's not paying a red cent for this thing, yeah?
Oh, you mean you not pay for? You have to pay for it. That's what I mean. Oh, you must pay for me thing. You think that's what you know?
Come here.
Oh, no, you're not going nowhere. You're not going nowhere. Look here now, man. Look how you spoil up the whole of my business now. Eh? It's a wicked thing you do to me, you know. I did two to come in and I want to tear up the clothes and don't watch there. We as a policy here. If you break it, you buy it.
But after we not break nothing.
Well, if you tear it, you wear it.
What is what kind of foolishness this?
Leave him to me.
Why, you deal with him, yeah? You not pay for no.
Well, hear me now, Mr. Oliver, sir. We's not paying a red cent on this whole little coro jacket that you have up in here. You understand? Because it is done long time tear up before we come in here. You understand me, sir? Okay, save a cow bread.
But see, you're not only coming to my store and tear up my merchandise, but you also accost my pedigree. It now go so. Somebody going to have to pay for it, or is hell to pay.
Let's take your foolishness and come on here.
Where? Oh no, so no. Oh no, that's a advantage taker, liberty taker. Where? What's here? The jacket I did really rocking fit you. You watch me and Miss Cassie. And she can't come tell me, you know. I know me good name, all good to spoil up. He's a man with a reputation of selling good clothes, you know. It's just because he say, me get the foreign fever and me take the thing them where she can't come sell me. Look how me pass over me good local thinking them. If you can't take up them, yeah? I don't know where them come from. It now go so do. It now go so. Somebody going to have to go pay for this jacket, yeah? It now go so. Ponce?
Yes, Mr. Oliver, is what now,
Please
sir?
to come here, please.
Is what now, sir?
Ponce, you can sew?
What kind of sewing, sir?
Oh, you mean what kind of sewing, girl? How much type of sewing you know them have? Me mean sewing like with needle and thread.
But them have machine sewing, sir. Them have hand sewing and them have embroidering, sir. Like cut work, fancy work, embroidery.
All right. We were just thinking of sewing with machine, like in the 806 and 3/4.
No, sir, me don't know about that side here. Me want type of sewing me know about. Me can hem stitch and me can sew on button and sometimes me can fell.
Fell? You mean fall?
No, sir, me not into that, sir. Me is a decent girl. Me carry myself properly straight sir. When you take the needle and push it in at the cloth, so, and you pull back the thread round back, so, and then you put the needle in at the cloth, so, and you pull back the thread round back, yes, so, sir.
See again? Yeah, idiot doing. Look how you make me follow this dopey needle and thread. You can sew or you can't sew.
No more than so, to tell you the truth, sir.
Me should I know. You have no help to me. Well, might as well. Anyway, I am going into the garment business. I is going to make my own clothes.
Mr. Oliver, you sew for yourself or to sell to people, sir?
Lord, missus, girl, I'm back in the kitchen now. Me have work for it.
Yeah, Mr. Oliver, no bother me.
No, where I put the calculator. And I want a pencil and paper. And then I'm going to need about 7 machines. And I want some cloth. And I want some staff people. And my export status. Oh yes. These look very lovely. Very nice, very nice. Ponce?
Yes, sir?
Ponce, please to come here, please. Ponce, how the collection going?
Collection, sir?
Yes.
After we not into church, sir?
Mrs. Are you so fool doing? You mean to tell me, say, you're into the fashion business and you don't know what collection is? Collection is like when we make the clothes them, collect them up, we put them in a fashion show and such the like.
Fashion show, sir? Then we can mug it to sir. We know how to swim if you know, sir. Oh, me look Mr. Oliver.
Ponce, I think it was Mr. Shakespeare or one of them man that did say ambition should be made of sterner stuff. Now you broke your foot out of them. Look at now. No bother with the muggling business here. Go back, go fell. You ain't favor than shag carpet.
Mr. Oliver, are you the same man that tell me say you know, sir? If me go land for walking at the high heel boot, me could have become one of the muggle for your boutique you. And are you the same man that trust me the river and dry it out and me feel you know, sir?
Ah, so? There's no progress. Anyway, darling, take your mind off of the muggling thing, you hear? May have other use for your talent in other places.
Like what, sir?
Back! In this one. Boy, man, I'm not doing nothing. No, relax. The 806 and 3/4 factory doing well, you see. Oh, yes, man. I get a big order for so sheet for parakeet. Some people say that, not big. But in business, nothing is small for me. So if it's sheet for parakeet them want, it's sheet for parakeet them going to get. Alright? Now, let me look about the collection. You see me here? I don't believe in failure. Anything I put my mind to, I have to do it. I'm going to put on a fashion show that make your heart pulse, and all the others them look like Valley. Punsi, the muggles them come yet?
No, sir.
I wonder where them could be doing. The audience come?
Yes, I hold it for people out there, especially since you did promise them free dinner after the show, sir.
Licky never fail. Catch them with them belly every time. But I wonder what could happen to the muggles them doing. The audience is here, but no muggles. I wonder if they never get the letter when me sent to them. Ponce, don't you did mail the letter them when me give to send out what day?
Mail letter, sir. Which letter, sir?
Oh, you mean what letter? The same letter them when me give from the post out from week before the last. Those same letter to invite the muggles boys and girls to come and muggle me collection. The same collection they want me invite some of people to come and look about. And you are telling me, Ponce, get up. Ponce, what wrong with you, eh? Ponce, get up and tell me say you mail them letter there, you know. Because if you don't mail them might as well, you know, get up. Oliver boy, you have to do it. As many know that say, man born for drown can't hang.
Well, it's my turn to muggle now.
Ponce, no bother with it. Save the muggling business. Leave it for those people who know.